What is fried chicken? Fried chicken is the golden unicorn of the poultry world. Chicken pieces coated in a magical blend of seasoned flour or batter, taking a dip in hot oil until they emerge crispy, crunchy, and ready to make your taste buds do the cha-cha. What can you do with leftover fried chicken? Leftover fried chicken is the gift that keeps on giving. Turn it into a sandwich, a salad to convince yourself you're being healthy, or simply have a cold piece at midnight, standing in front of the fridge like a chicken vigilante. Can I eat fried chicken and lose weight? Sure, you can eat fried chicken and lose weight. The catch is you'll need to develop the chicken wing workout. Lift those wings to your mouth with determination, and you might just burn off a calorie or two in the process. Is fried chicken healthy? Healthy is a relative term, right? If you consider joy and happiness as essential elements of health, then yes, fried chicken is practically a superfood. Is fried chicken bad for you? Bad for your kitchen's cleanliness, maybe. Bad for your soul? Absolutely not. In moderation, fried chicken won't harm you. Unless you're a chicken, then it's a bit of an existential crisis. Is fried chicken good for bodybuilding? If the goal is to build a body that appreciates the art of crispy goodness, then yes, fried chicken might be the perfect muscle-building companion. Flex those chicken-eating biceps. Is fried chicken bad for weight loss? Well, if you're on a weight loss journey, fried chicken could be your frenemy. It whispers, "Eat me," while your diet plan sobs quietly in the corner. Portion control is the name of the game. Is fried chicken keto? Keto enthusiasts, rejoice. You can have your fried chicken and eat it too. Just swap the flour for almond flour, and suddenly you're in keto KFC paradise. Colonel Sanders would be proud. Is fried chicken good for muscle building? Yes, indeed. Fried chicken provides the protein necessary for muscle building. It's like a tiny, tasty construction crew working on your biceps. Is fried chicken good? Is laughter good for the soul? Is sunshine good for picnics? Absolutely. Fried chicken is the unsung hero of the culinary world, crispy, juicy, and an all-around mood lifter. What to cook with fried chicken? Anything your heart desires. Fried chicken is like a culinary wingman. It goes well with mashed potatoes, coleslaw, or even a side of guilt for breaking your diet. What is the best fried chicken fast food? Choosing the best fried chicken fast food is like picking a favorite child, subjective and likely to start family drama. KFC, Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, they're all vying for the title of Colonel Crunchy. How is fried chicken made? Fried chicken is made by taking a chicken, convincing it to take a luxurious flour bath, and then giving it the spa treatment in a bubbling hot oil jacuzzi until it emerges as a crispy superstar. How was fried chicken invented? The history of fried chicken is a bit like a culinary soap opera: Scottish immigrants, West African techniques, and a deep-fried love story that birthed the crispy legend we know today. How to cook fried chicken with crispy fry. To cook fried chicken with crispy fry, you must channel your inner kitchen wizard. Ensure the chicken is drier than your sense of humor in a dad joke contest. Coat it and fry until it's as crisp as your grandma's secret biscuit recipe. Can you make fried chicken in an air fryer? Yes, you can make fried chicken in an air fryer, the superhero of guilt-free frying. It's like telling your taste buds, "I got you covered," while maintaining an air of health-conscious sophistication.